Hello everyone, welcome to How to series of Infraun Secura tool. Today we will demonstrate how to add a password policy in the Infraun Secura tool. A password policy is a set of rules which were created to improve application security by motivating users to create dependable and secure passwords and then store and utilize them properly. Log in to the Infraun Secura tool. From the left side menu panel, navigate to Account Management and click on Password Policy. Click the plus icon from the top right corner to add a new password policy. Enter the name of the password policy. Enter the description of the password policy. Mention number of days after which the password will have to be changed. You can also adjust other options and password validation checks, like minimum and maximum password length required, minimum uppercase and lowercase characters length, minimum special characters required, etc. You can restrict or allow access to the password policy from the Access Control option. By default, it is set to public, but it can be set to private for specific users or user groups by selecting from the drop-down provided. Once you have mentioned all the details, click on the Save icon to save the password policy. A new password policy will be created. You can edit or delete the existing policy by selecting the policy name and then click on the Edit or Delete option from the top right corner. Thank you for watching.